Hi, my name is Kerry and we bought the EL145 litre 12 volt Evakool fridge from my generator. We're really happy with our fridge. It's super quiet. It has a digital display on top. I'll show you the fridge inside. There's the display for both the fridge and the freezer. It has a good sized compartment inside, plenty of room in the door, and the freezer down the bottom. There's plenty of space in the freezer, and it closes very smoothly. The fridge has 2 compressors, which is really handy, but it's very quiet, and we've had no problem with it at all. We like to go away travelling, and we're self-sufficient as far as being off the grid, and this is the great fridge for that. Like I said, it's very quiet, and we're just so happy with it. So thank you very much, my generator, for your great customer service and for this great product.